I know I'm just a dog, and this is purely anecdotal, but I believe Bush Light is the official beer of Lower Towamensing Township.
I got a packet full of Bush Light. I got a beer and I know that it's all mine.
Step on that thing!
Sucking it down like a cream in a Twinkie. 12-pack, 30-pack, never outdrink me, oh.
Hey, there's Roll the Junk Man, Hook Loon, Litter Hound. We're running every street in the world, and we're picking up every piece.
Pick up that thing!
Just outside of Palmerton, Pennsylvania, in Carbon County, in Lower Towamensing Township.
Run that thing! Today we collected 40 pieces of litter in 8 miles, mostly Bush 25 ounces, and 1 Fireball. So today's Hope Loon litter score is 5.1. I got a pocket full of Bush Light.